Hi guys, back with me again in this channel. So on today's video I'm gonna show you how you can create a zoom in stop motion video on CapCut. So the video is actually not a stop motion, but I'm going to make it looks like one. So first, just import your clips to CapCut and add a keyframe. Add keyframes at the beginning and also the end of the clip. And then at the last keyframe, zoom in the video a bit. Zoom in the clip like this. Then after that, go to the beginning and then click on the video effects. Click on the texture tab and then select the doodle diary one, this one. Adjust the effects, so make the texture, color and also stickers and filter into 0, but leave the speed as it is. And after that, just click on the check icon and expand the effect, and you are done with the zoom in and also the stop motion video. Okay, so that's all for me. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment and also subscribe and click on thanks. I'll see you all on the next tutorial. Bye.